Today, we're diving into a full review of the Nikon D3200, a budget-friendly DSLR that has remained popular among beginners and casual photographers since its launch. Design build quality. The Nikon D3200 features a compact and lightweight body, weighing around 505 grams with the battery and card included. It's made of polycarbonate, giving it a sturdy but not overly heavy feel. Sensor image quality. The D3200 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's X3 image processor. For its class, it delivers excellent image quality, sharp details, and vibrant colors. Dynamic range is solid, allowing shadows and highlights to be recovered well in post-processing. Video performance. The Nikon D3200 can shoot full HD 1080p video at 30, 25, and 24 frames per second, and also 720p at 60 frames per second. Video quality is decent with good color reproduction, though it lacks modern features like 4K or in-body stabilization. Battery life. Battery life is rated for about 540 shots per charge using the ENEL14 battery. That's average for an entry-level DSLR, and perfectly fine for casual shooting sessions. Overall, the Nikon D3200 is a fantastic entry-level DSLR, especially for beginners stepping into the world of photography. While it lacks modern features like 4K, touchscreen, or Wi-Fi, it makes up for it with outstanding image quality, ease of use, and affordability. Thank you so much.